Many teams start with spreadsheets to manage tasks, but as projects grow, these simple tools can become overwhelming. Spreadsheets are flexible, but they often lack features like notifications, collaboration, and progress tracking. Migrating to dedicated task management software can streamline your workflow, improve communication, and reduce errors. In this video, we'll walk you through a step-by-step process to move from spreadsheets to a robust task management platform without creating chaos. Let's start by understanding the reasons behind making this switch and how it can benefit your team in the long run. Before you make any move, it's important to assess your team's unique needs. What features are missing in your current spreadsheets? Do you need better collaboration, automated reminders, or advanced reporting? List out the pain points and must-have features. This assessment will guide your choice of task management software and ensure you pick a tool that truly addresses your workflow challenges. Taking this step seriously will save you time and headaches later in the migration process. With your needs clearly defined, it's time to research and select the right task management software. There are many options available, from simple to-do list apps to comprehensive project management platforms. Consider factors like ease of use, integration with other tools, scalability, and cost. Involve key team members in the decision-making process to ensure buy-in and a smoother transition. Remember, the right tool should align with your workflow and be adaptable as your team grows. Before migrating, map out your current process in detail. Document how tasks are tracked, assigned, and updated in your spreadsheets. Identify any custom columns, formulas, or workflows you rely on. This mapping will help you replicate essential processes in the new software and avoid missing critical steps. It also provides a reference point for training and troubleshooting during the transition. Migrating messy or outdated data can lead to confusion and errors. Take time to clean up your spreadsheets before the move. Remove completed or irrelevant tasks, standardize naming conventions, and ensure all necessary information is up to date. This step not only streamlines the migration process, but also sets a strong foundation for your new task management system. A successful migration starts with a clear plan. Decide whether you'll move all data at once or in phases. Assign roles and responsibilities for the migration process and set a timeline with key milestones. Communicate the plan to your team so everyone knows what to expect and when. A well-structured migration plan minimizes disruption and keeps everyone aligned. Before making any changes, back up your existing spreadsheets. Save copies in multiple locations, such as cloud storage and external drives. This precaution ensures you can recover important information if anything goes wrong during the migration. It's a simple but crucial step to protect your data and give your team peace of mind. Now it's time to set up your chosen task management software. Create projects, teams, and task lists that mirror your existing workflow. Customize fields, labels, and permissions to match your team's needs. Take advantage of templates or onboarding guides provided by the software to speed up the setup process. A thoughtful setup ensures a smoother transition and helps your team adapt quickly. Before rolling out the new system to everyone, test it with a small pilot group. Choose team members who represent different roles and workflows, have them use the new platform for real tasks, and gather their feedback. This pilot phase helps identify issues, refine processes, and build internal advocates who can support the wider team during the full rollout. Training is essential for a successful migration. Organize workshops or training sessions to introduce the new software's features and best practices. Provide resources like user guides, video tutorials, and FAQs. Encourage team members to ask questions and share tips. Well-trained users are more likely to embrace the new system and use it effectively from day one. With your team trained and the platform set up, it's time to import your cleaned-up data. Many task management tools offer import features that can handle spreadsheet files, map your spreadsheet columns to the appropriate fields in the new software, double-check for any errors or missing information during the import process. Taking care during this step ensures a smooth transition and accurate data migration. After importing, review your data in the new system. Check that all tasks, deadlines, and assignments have transferred correctly. Look for any inconsistencies or missing details. Involve team members in this verification process to catch issues early. Addressing problems now prevents confusion and ensures everyone starts with accurate information. Clear communication is key to a smooth migration. Announce the transition to the entire team, explaining the reasons and benefits. Share the migration timeline and what's expected from each team member. Open channels for questions and feedback. Transparent communication reduces anxiety and helps everyone feel involved in the process. To avoid confusion, set clear guidelines for using the new task management software. Define how tasks should be created, assigned, and updated. Establish naming conventions, priority levels, and communication protocols. Document these guidelines and make them easily accessible. Consistent usage ensures everyone is on the same page and maximizes the benefits of the new system. Encourage your team to start using the new system as soon as possible. Highlight quick wins and showcase how the software makes their work easier. Recognize and reward early adopters who help drive the transition. Positive reinforcement builds momentum and helps the whole team embrace the change. Once the new system is in use, monitor progress closely. Track how tasks are being managed, identify any bottlenecks, and gather feedback from users. Use built-in analytics or reporting features to measure adoption and productivity. Regular monitoring helps you spot issues early and make necessary adjustments for continuous improvement. Migration doesn't end with the initial rollout. Provide ongoing support to your team as they adapt to the new software. Offer refresher training, answer questions, and address concerns promptly. Create a support channel or appoint a go-to person for troubleshooting. Continuous support ensures long-term success and user satisfaction. Regular feedback is vital for continuous improvement. Schedule check-ins or surveys to gather input from users about their experience with the new system. Ask about challenges, suggestions, and successes. Use this feedback to refine processes, update guidelines, and enhance the software setup. Listening to your team ensures the system evolves to meet their needs. No migration is perfect from the start. Be prepared to adjust workflows based on real-world usage and feedback. Modify task templates, permissions, or notification settings as needed. Stay flexible and responsive to your team's evolving needs. This adaptability helps you get the most value from your new task management software. Recognize and celebrate key milestones during the migration process, whether it's completing the data import, achieving full team adoption, or reaching a productivity goal. Take time to acknowledge these achievements. Celebrating progress boosts morale and reinforces the value of the new system. Once your team is comfortable with the new system, gradually phase out the old spreadsheets. Set a clear date for when spreadsheets will no longer be updated or referenced. Archive old files for reference, but encourage everyone to use the new platform exclusively. This step prevents confusion and ensures all information is centralized. Maximize the benefits of your new task management software by integrating it with other tools your team uses, such as email, calendars, or communication platforms. These integrations streamline workflows, reduce manual work, and keep everyone in sync. Explore available integrations and set them up to fit your team's needs. Take advantage of automation features in your new software. Set up recurring tasks, automated reminders, and workflow triggers to save time and reduce errors. Automation not only boosts efficiency, but also frees up your team to focus on higher value work. Review your processes regularly to identify more opportunities for automation. Use your task management software's reporting and analytics features to track key metrics like task completion rates, overdue items, and team productivity. Regularly reviewing these metrics helps you identify trends, spot issues, and make data-driven decisions to improve your workflow. Protect your team's information by following best practices for data security. Use strong passwords, enable two-factor authentication, and manage user permissions carefully. Regularly review access rights and update them as team members join or leave. Keeping your data secure is essential for trust and compliance. After the migration, document what worked well and what could be improved. Gather insights from the team and create a lessons learned report. This documentation will be valuable for future migrations or process changes and helps your team avoid repeating mistakes. Task management software evolves, and so should your team skills. Encourage continuous learning by sharing updates, new features, and best practices. Promote a culture of experimentation and improvement. This approach keeps your team engaged and ensures you're always getting the most from your tools. Not everyone will embrace the new system immediately. Address resistance by listening to concerns, providing extra support, and highlighting the benefits of the new software. Share success stories and involve skeptics in decision-making. Patience and empathy go a long way in helping everyone adapt. Stay open to change as your team settles into the new system. Be willing to tweak processes, try new features, or even switch tools if necessary. Flexibility ensures your workflow remains effective and your team stays productive, no matter how your needs evolve. As your team grows or changes, review user permissions regularly. Ensure that only the right people have access to sensitive information and can make changes to projects. This practice protects your data and maintains accountability within the team. Open communication is essential throughout the migration and beyond. Encourage team members to share their experiences, ask questions, and suggest improvements. Regular team meetings or check-ins help maintain alignment and foster a collaborative environment. Most modern task management tools offer mobile apps. Encourage your team to use these apps for on-the-go updates and notifications. Mobile access increases flexibility and ensures everyone stays connected, even when away from their desks. Task management software makes it easier to assign responsibilities and track progress. Encourage team members to take ownership of their tasks and update statuses regularly. Accountability leads to better results and a more transparent workflow. Many task management platforms offer templates for common workflows or project types. Use these templates to save time and ensure consistency across projects. Customize templates to fit your team's unique needs and update them as your processes evolve. One of the biggest advantages of task management software is increased transparency. Make project boards, task lists, and progress visible to everyone involved. Transparency builds trust, improves collaboration, and helps teams stay aligned on goals and deadlines. Task management tools are designed for collaboration. Encourage your team to use features like comments, file attachments, and shared boards to work together more effectively. Collaboration leads to better ideas, faster problem solving, and a stronger team dynamic. Set regular intervals to review your processes and the effectiveness of your task management software. Gather feedback, analyze performance data, and make improvements as needed. Regular reviews ensure your system stays aligned with your team's goals and continues to deliver value. Setbacks are a normal part of any migration. If you encounter issues, address them calmly and transparently. Work with your team to find solutions and adjust your plan as needed. Handling setbacks with grace keeps morale high and ensures steady progress. Empower your team to explore new ways of working with the task management software. Encourage experimentation with features, integrations, and workflows. Innovation leads to continuous improvement and helps your team stay ahead in a fast-changing work environment. Define what success looks like for your migration. Set measurable goals such as improved task completion rates, reduced errors, or higher team satisfaction. Track your progress and celebrate when you achieve these goals. Measuring success keeps your team motivated and focused on continuous improvement. Task management software is constantly evolving. Stay informed about new features, updates, and best practices by following the software's blog, attending webinars, or joining user communities. Keeping up to date ensures you're always making the most of your investment. Highlight and share success stories from your team's migration. Showcase how the new system has improved productivity, collaboration, or morale. Sharing these stories inspires others and reinforces the value of the change. As your team and projects grow, your task management needs may change. Plan for future growth by regularly reassessing your software, workflows, and integrations. Stay proactive to ensure your system continues to support your evolving goals. Migration is not a one-time event, but an ongoing journey. Encourage your team to keep looking for ways to improve processes, adopt new features, and optimize workflows. Continuous improvement ensures your team stays efficient, engaged, and ready for new challenges. Migrating from spreadsheets to task management software can seem daunting, but with careful planning and a step-by-step approach, you can make the transition smooth and successful. Remember to assess your needs, plan thoroughly, communicate openly, and support your team throughout the process. Embrace the change, celebrate your progress, and keep improving. Your team will soon enjoy the benefits of a more organized, collaborative, and efficient workflow.